Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. Happy Friday when you're watching this. I have a Walmart haul here. This haul was $150 and I'm just going to jump right into it, starting on this side as per usual and working my way over to the other side. So I did grab a few yogurts for my husband for lunches. I got this Light and Fit Dannon Greek Crunch Strawberry Cheesecake, so it has like little cheesecake bites and little Crispies to pour into the yogurt. I also got this Light and Fit Tiramisu Greek yogurt and Light and Fit Peanut Butter Delight Greek yogurt, which has like little peanut butter and chocolate little crunchies on top to pour in. I got the king size Thomas English muffins. As you can see, they're larger than the normal ones. They're actually pretty large. They're bigger than like a standard size hamburger roll. But I got these to make my husband some breakfast sandwiches, which you guys will see. I usually throw those clips in with my lunch videos, so I'm going to use these for that. My son was completely out of like fruit pouches. I usually get like the 4-packs, but I decided just to get the larger ones. They just last longer and I want to start stocking up on things. So this is the Go-Go Squeeze Fruit on the Go 12-pack, and it's a variety pack. It has 6 of the Gimme 5, it has 3 of the Fruity 4, and 3 of the Apple Cherry Vanilla. I'm sure most of you guys are familiar with Go-Go Squeeze products, but he does like to take these to school sometimes for snacks, so I did get the 12-pack. I also got the Mott's Apple Cinnamon Clear Pouch. My son also likes to take these. I actually like these, and I really like to have these on hand. Just this product in general on hand whenever I have like pork chops or something, because I like to dip the pork in it. I got some Cape Cod 40% less fat sea salt chips, kettle chips for Matt and for lunches. I got some sour cream and onion toasted Ritz chips, or the oven baked ones, and then some good old classic Cheeto puffy Cheetos. I got the Welch's fruit and yogurt strawberry flavored fruit snacks for my son. He likes to take these again for snacks sometimes. And then the Welch's Island fruit snacks, because I love some fruit snacks. Matt likes fruit snacks. Grady likes fruit snacks, so it's just a win-win when we can all find a common ground on a snack. I mentioned a couple weeks ago, maybe it was 3 weeks ago, that we like these Nathan's cheddar cheese beef franks. They do, I think, like I said, I mentioned a few weeks ago, they do sell out. Or they're out of stock a lot in the warmer months, because we live in a high tourist area. We're like right in the middle of all the Vermont people, you know, a lot of the New York City people come up. We just live in a big area for tourism. So a lot of things like burgers, hot dogs, like standard summer things get sold out a lot. So I did get these to throw in the freezer because they freeze great. I also got hot dog rolls to throw in the freezer as well, so we're stocked up on these for a bit. I did get 2 of the Duke's original smoked shorty sausages. We love these. I've loved Duke's for literally years. My favorite is the Green Hatch chili, but they don't have those at my Walmart ever in stock. So I just got 2 original. I got the hugest bag of carrots ever. I literally think, I don't even know, is this 5 pounds? It's huge. I don't even know how many pounds it is. Yes, it's a 5-pound bag of carrots. I normally get the standard size bag, which I think is like a pound, but we literally blow through it in like a week. So I just got the huge one. I'm just gonna cut a bunch of these up. Maybe, I don't know, a third of the bag I'll cut up. I'll peel and cut and prep during my Sunday food prep. And I'll make like different veggie packs with dips. And then of course we just eat carrots in a lot of recipes and salads. And I do like to make glazed steamed carrots as well. So we'll definitely find good use for these. And I won't have to buy carrots for a while. I mentioned the hot dog rolls. They're gonna go in the freezer. These are the golden potato top sliced Pepperidge Farm. I got a large bag of yellow cooking onions. I think this is like a 3-pound bag. We do go through quite a bit of onions, both purple and yellow, because I use onions in like every recipe. I did get some chicken thighs because we're gonna throw these on the grill, or I might try like a different crock pot recipe. I have a couple recipes I want to try from a crock pot cookbook that I got a couple months ago actually. So chicken thighs. I got some Cheez-It Extra Toasty individual packs, as well as Pringle individual snack packs to stock the pantry with. I got my son's little Danimal pouches, strawberry banana. He likes to take these again to school sometimes for snack. I got my husband these Nature Valley sweet and salty granola bars. This is the dark chocolate peanut and almond dipped in chocolate flavored coating, and I just got the big box, and there's like 12 or 15 of them in here. These are good sized bars, so I got those. I got Cinnamon Toast Crunch for my husband. These little Danimal smoothie little shooters for Grady. I did have to stock up on some cosmetic-y things. I definitely need hand soaps. I think we have, I don't know, one backup in our entire house. And we do have 5 sinks in our home that we use soaps at. We have our kitchen sink. We have 2 bathroom sinks. We have our basement. We have like a sink in the basement, like a slop sink that we use a lot. Wait, maybe it's 4 sinks. But regardless, we go through a lot of hand soap. So I got this soft soap antibacterial. This is just the white tea and berry. I do need to go to Bath & Body Works and stock up and get like 12 soaps. Because that's my favorite hand soap, but they just, I don't think they've had any coupons lately, and I always wait for the coupons. So this will just be good as a backup. I actually think this is going to be needed sooner than later. And then I needed just some shave gel, so I got the Skintimate Coconut Delight. I like that brand. I needed some hair detangler, and I've used this one before, and I really like it. It's the Conditioning Detangler Hair Mist. My hair gets pretty frizzy and like snarly in the warmer months when it's humid, and my hair has a lot of natural waves, so this just really helps me to brush my hair out a little bit easier when I wash it. Very excited for this. I've never tried it. It's the Healthy Scalp Hydro Boost Shampoo with Hyaluronic Acid from Neutrogena. I've tried a lot of products in this Hydro Boost, this blue line, and I've loved them. I love their face masks. I've tried the body lotion, which I love, so I'm really excited to try the shampoo. It was on the pricey side. It was around $9, and it's not the hugest bottle in the world, so I'm hoping, I have high hopes. And then I also got this Dove Hair Therapy. It's the Hydration Spa Shampoo with Hyaluronic Serum. It does have a pump top, which I'm a little wary of because hopefully it actually pumps. But I just needed to get a couple new shampoos. I like to try different shampoos and not stick to the same one. So those things were all in that general vicinity. I also needed to get these flosser things for my son. He just really does well with these, and he's going to the dentist soon, and he's never had a cavity, which he's super proud of. So I definitely contribute a lot of that to these. He uses these morning and night before bed, along with mouthwash. And we're really big on dental care because none of us like going to get cavities filled. Anyways, moving on, I got this Spindrift sparkling water with real squeezed fruit. I've tried to love seltzer. I've tried many times. I just don't. I can tolerate it, but I don't enjoy it. This is probably the closest brand and flavor, like the grapefruit one, that I've gotten to enjoying seltzer. If you'd even want to call this seltzer, it's more of a sparkling water. I don't know if that's different, but the only saving grace this has for me is the ingredients, as you can see, is just carbonated water, grapefruit juice, orange juice, lemon juice, and hibiscus for color. So there's no added sugar, but it does have 3 grams of sugar, which comes from the fruit. That is the only saving grace for me. Other than that, I wouldn't be able to really tolerate this. I've tried literally every flavor in this Spindrift. The only ones I can, again, tolerate are this and the iced tea lemonade one. I think it's iced tea lemon or something like that. I'm not a fan. But anyways, it is good if you're trying to maybe cut down on your soda. I do drink diet soda. I probably have 1 to 2 per day, which is a lot less than when I was younger, but I really would like to get down to just 1 a day. This is Newcastle Brown Ale for my husband or my dad whenever, you know, they want to drink and have a grill out. I also got the Great Value or the Clear American, which is a Wal-Mart house brand, Cherry Limeade. This is a diet sweetened soda, just an FYI. This flavor sold out a lot, so I do grab it when I see it. And then I got a large 24 pack of the standard size 16.9 ounce drinking waters. We do recycle the bottles and cans, anything, you know, glass, can, plastic. We do have big recycling bins in our garage, and we actually physically take all of our, because they have deposits on them, to a redemption store. We go probably every 6 weeks and we cash it in and just use that cash to buy, you know, more. So it is recycled. But anyways, that is everything today, $150. I am now going to share my meal plan for the upcoming week. All right, so meal plan for the upcoming week. One night I'm going to do a recipe in the crock pot. It's from a crock pot cookbook that I have. It's like a Greek chicken with using chicken thighs, and it calls for like olives and capers and all different ingredients, some roasted peppers, and you just slow cook it with some Greek dressing. And then I'm going to serve it over rice, and I'm going to make some glazed carrots since I have that huge bag. I have some locally made hot Italian sausage I'm going to roast with some peppers and onions and serve that over rice as well. I'm going to do the turkey and zucchini veggie skillet. I shared that a few What's for Dinner videos back, and I just make that and serve that over spaghetti. It's absolutely delicious, and it makes really good leftovers. I have some beef and veggie soup frozen in my freezer downstairs. I'm going to thaw out, and we're going to have that with some side salad, so just like an easy soup and salad night. I'm going to do some taco pizzas, which I use the tortillas as like the pizza crust, and then I just do taco meat, refried beans, cheese on top, and then I bake it till the cheese melts, and then I add like my cold toppings, lettuce, tomato. I'm sure you guys will see it at some point in an upcoming video. And then we're just going to do some chips and salsa on the side. We're going to do our Mother's Day dinner Sunday. These are not in any particular order, by the way. So first and foremost, before I forget to say it, happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. Definitely relax and give yourself some time on Mother's Day to kick your feet up, hopefully for even 5 minutes. So we're going to do some kind of Mother's Day dinner out. Again, not really sure what the plan is. My husband and my dad are planning something for my mom and I don't really know what exactly it is, but all I know is I don't have to cook. And then of course I have my freebie night, as I do every week. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Again, happy Mother's Day to all the moms, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.